Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore Ace A0 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not working because it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you can't get it fixed and you just want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a great speaker at a great price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to delete all of the pairing history off of it so that you can go ahead and set this up as a brand new speaker. This will do that for you and it's very easy to do. All we need to do on this speaker is with it turned on, we're just going to come in and we're going to triple click the multi-function button. So we're going to go click, click, click on the multi-function button, and that will cause this speaker to reset to its factory out-of-the-box default settings, at which point we can go ahead and set this speaker up like it's a brand new speaker.